Hey you! You've made it just in time for another episode of Financial Fitness by Economic Advantage. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting investments out there, stocks. In this video, we'll go over what a stock is, how it works, and how you can trade them. What is a stock, and how to trade them? Let's start with the basics. A stock is a share of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company and have a say in how it operates. But here's the thing, stocks are not just pieces of paper. They represent ownership in real, tangible businesses that produce goods and services. As a shareholder, you can benefit from the company's growth and success through dividends and capital gains. Now, let's talk about how stocks work. When a company wants to raise money, it can issue stocks to the public through an initial public offering, or IPO. Investors can buy shares of the company and become part owners. Once a stock is publicly traded, it can be bought and sold on stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. These exchanges provide a platform for investors to trade stocks with each other. Now, let's talk about how you can trade stocks. The first step is to open a brokerage account with a reputable brokerage firm. There are many options out there, so do your research and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've opened your brokerage account, you can start buying and selling stocks. To find the right stock for you, start by considering your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the type of companies you want to invest in. There are many ways to research stocks, including reading financial news, analyzing financial statements, and following stock market trends. When you're ready to buy a stock, simply log into your brokerage account and place your order. There are two types of orders you can place when buying a stock, a market order and a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the stock reaches a specified price. And that's it. You're now a stock trader. Of course, as with any investment, it's important to keep track of your stocks and monitor their performance over time. So there you have it, a brief overview of what stocks are, how they work, and how you can trade them. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.